100, the total 300. Thank you for shopping. Wait, wow, what is this? Which shop did you get it from? Mister, do you have any paper bags? No. Then use this one instead. But why? Because plastic spreads pollution. Oh, you're right. It makes sick. Yes. Please change it. Okay. Don't throw rubbish on the land. Only use dustbin. Pollution is anything that has a bad impact on the environment. There are some ways we can stop pollution. Don't litter, don't smoke, and use bikes instead of motorcycles and cars. And press your phone slowly. It makes noise pollution.